All right, welcome back to the show, guys. Yes, now that was Ice Prince Zamani with Old Lake Cool from way back. You remember that tune? Yes, I told you all. I'll be joined on the show, later on by a superstar himself, a legend, someone who's been through it all, seen it all, and done it all. And then after a while, it seems like he went MIA, but now he is back, and he is back with a bang. Ladies and germs, I present to you someone who's actually produced or self-taught one of Nigeria's most remixed songs. Yes, had a whole couple of artists jump on that particular tune. And ladies and germs, joining me on the show today, the legend himself, Ice Prince Zamani.
Booyah!
Welcome to the show, bro.
So cool.
Welcome
What's
to the
up,
show,
man?
bro. I'm good, man.
Nice to be here.
Yes.
Afia TV, finally. I've heard so much about Afia TV and it feels good to be here. Like, there's so much art. I can't even stop looking around this building.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good to be here, man. 042, what's up?
I love the fact you said you've heard so much about Afia TV. What have you heard about Afia TV?
I heard there's so much art here.
Okay.
And I'm not disappointed, at all. You know what I mean?
Trust me.
And I know that you guys are the new cool. Like, you're the new cool. All the young people watch Afia TV right now. So that's what's up, man. Big up.
I think you should probably say we're the super cool cats right now.
100%. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that.
Ice Prince Zamani,
yes,
a legend in the game. Ice Prince, now, would have a whole lot to talk about, but
yeah,
I mean, people have actually watched that particular tune. They've been watching it for years, but some persons don't actually.
I grew up on that song.
Yeah, come on, man. We all grew up on that song, man. And so many persons don't even know that Ice Prince. But for them who don't know, Ice Prince is back right now, and he is back with a bang. He's dropped a couple of tunes and also had lots of collaborations as well. Yes, I mean, most recently I saw the collab with DJ Neptune, where he had the likes of Calligraph Jones,
I
mean,
that's a new collaboration that just dropped. Shout out to DJ Neptune, Normal Day featuring N6, Ice Prince, Calligraph, Magneto, and Young Luya. You know, but also I just released my new album called Fire and Ice, and that's the reason why I actually came down here, because I wanted to present that album to my people out here. I have so many friends. I have so many real friends that come from Enugu. You know, and of course, shout out to Maga of Elevator Lounge. He had me come down and play the album for the people. You know, so yeah, we're here now.
All right, that's one thing that actually surprises me about the album. Is the fact that Wook was not in the album.
Woke was supposed to be an introduction to the album. You know what I mean? Like, the kind of Woke is me telling my fans that I'm woke. You know what I mean? And if you watch the video, you see that it says Ice Prince 2024. It was just us introducing the album at that time. You like Woke?
I love Woke.
Yeah, you're a real one, man.
I love Woke, man. I love Woke. All right, now, just so we don't keep saying this, and probably you all don't exactly know what we're talking about. Yes, I mean, you've been seeing it here on the show, but we'll bring it back to you again so you can check it out. It's brand new Ice Prince Zamani. Sort of like an introduction to everything that you've seen about Ice Prince right now. I mean, the title says it's all woke. It is woke. So let's check out that tune. It's Woke by Ice Prince Zamani. We'll be right back.
Fire and Ice album, we're doing it October 2024.
Nah, Fuse dropping now. Now the time is upon us. Fire and Ice will drop now.
TFT in the building. I feel like I woke up in Brazil. I can't even tell you how I feel. I feel like I woke up in LA. GOS, my niggas, we don't play. We okay. I woke up a beast. Nigerian gangster, man, it's time for me to eat. The ladies love the sport to find me on repeat. I got Versace shades and Louis on my feet. Don't mean to brag, but I see haters on the knee. I'm so sick, like 7 of beats down in the weeds. I get the green, I keep it pumping on the beat. They know my name, they know my records on the street. I keep it G, I keep it fire than a weech. Wizard of Oz. Look at the squad, look at the cartel I keep. You know I'm old school and my gang go deep. My Lebanese friends always smoking on the sheesh. I feel like I woke up in Paris. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Bounce on my twice. Bounce on my nigga. I feel like I woke up in a Buddha. I'm smoking Buddha. You know I had to call a jeweler. Took up a cooler. And all my niggas brought the Ruger from Sakaduna. That's the lighter, it's not the shooter. I feel like I brought a hurricane. You know that I can't even explain. Walk still in there sipping on champagne. My blood, my tears, my pain. I woke up in beast mode. I got this fake niggas cheat code. That's why I throw it in the air, just like a free throw. Bang, bang, chew. Girl, I'm major like Diplo. I'm still a fat nigga, but my diet on keto. You know my niggas throwing money on the floor. Got the women throwing kisses when we ran through the door. And I just wanna be rich, wanna mansion with a goat. I don't give a fuck if niggas wanna prank for a joke. Band over, push it and band over. Nigga riding for you to just get him a Land Rover. I got balls, my balls that ran over. East to west, north to the south, the Saradona. The Saradona, Saradona. One chuck guy.
All right, welcome back to the show. That was Ice Prince Zamani with Wook.
Sir.
Now, Ice, when I saw that shoot, I was like, whoa, Ice Prince is back. I mean, you've been starving us for a while. I think this is...
You know what, let me answer that question. I've not been starving you for a while.
Yeah.
You disconnected for a while. Because if you go back, I have been dropping music. Maybe you just stopped watching, you just stopped paying attention.
I mean, the music was there, but I mean, I know the last time you dropped an album was something around 2016.
Yeah.
2016, yeah.
I mean, it took a while. Yeah, Just to the World 2016, that was my third album. And it took a while for us to drop another album, you know, because I had some deals that didn't go as I wanted it to.
Yeah.
So I signed an international deal with a company called 300.
Yeah.
Which was supposed to be a big deal. Like I had just got signed to the same label with Megan Thee Stallion and Young Thug and Gunna and the rest of these guys. And, you know, things just didn't go as planned.
Yeah.
And, you know, that kind of like kept me on the low for a little bit. And also, I wanted to perfect the music. I wanted to come with something different, not the old stuff, you know what I mean? Obviously, I'm always going to be Ice Prince on my music, but I wanted to deliver some more quality. So if you listen to this new album, there's a lot of youngins, there's a lot of young producers, a lot of young artists on the album. And, you know, that was very intentional, you know? And they say quality takes time. It took us a while to take time to deliver something that was worth it.
I love you mentioned that because I was just going to talk about that. I mean, the new album and the features and the collaborations you had on that one. But you know what I love the most that actually I was like, okay, that's cool. What's the one you had the feature with Young L?
Yeah.
Young L, and then there was Chopstick somewhere.
They're very updated.
Oh, cool, man.
Very updated. Lord save me. I mean, you know, Young L is one of my oldest friends.
Yeah.
You know, shout out to Young L. And, you know, Young L, funny enough, is from Enugu. Yeah, you know, so I mean, like, I grew up with him in Jos. We pretty much started this music together a very long time ago. So I always have him on my albums. Yeah. Chopsticks is somebody that I also always have on my album. Shout out to Chopsticks. He's given Nigeria a Grammy with Burna Boy's Last.
True.
And you know, that's my boy from the very start. So there's just some people that I always have on my album. And before we proceed, you know, it's only right that, I mean, I have to give a shout out to the landlords of this city, some of my favorite guys, some of my favorite friends, from Ilbliss to Fino to Slow Dog to NIGA Raw, you know? Yeah, so I mean, big shout outs to all the big dogs from 042, from Enugu. I respect a lot of the musicians that come out from this side, you know, yeah.
Who are you feeling right now from 042?
Man, I don't want it to be a generic answer.
Yeah.
My bad, is Jerick from here?
Yeah, Jerick's from
here. Yeah, I'll say Jerick then. I'll definitely say Jerick. You know, like, I'm a big fan of Jerick, his music, his fashion, his style, his swag. You know, so big up Jerick the Hustler for sure, man. That's my guy.
So should we be expecting something from Ice and Jerick pretty soon?
Inshallah. You know, me and Jerick have actually recorded. We just haven't found the right one to put out.
Oh, that's cool.
You know what I mean? That's my guy. He shows me so much love and respect. Every time he sees me, he's always going down. Like, that's my guy, man. Big shout out to Jerick. Big shout out. I can't wait to put out music with him for sure.
Now, besides Jerick, I mean, you've been an OG in the game. Like some love to say, an OG before IG. I mean, before the whole things have changed right now. in your time, social media wasn't really a big deal, but then but you found a way to actually break it through. Big shout outs to the Chalk Boys, MI, JC Jags, and So I want to ask you now, what you think has actually changed from then up until now?
You know what I don't like you saying is when you say in your time. There's no such thing as in your time.
Okay, now what I mean your time.
Listen to me. Let me correct that. And a lot of artists don't like that. So don't categorize any artist as to being from a sect. I am a legendary artist that's gonna be here forever. You're gonna hear my music and see my face forever. So don't time box me and say in your time. That's corny. I don't like that at all. So you gotta take that back.
Okay, I take
There's
it back.
no such thing as your time. My time is forever.
Okay.
All right. But yeah, I came up in the game at a time when there was no social media, and it was very difficult to to break in, to make a stand and to make a name. These days, social media I don't want you to think that social media makes things easy. Yeah. Because everybody would be at the top because everybody has social media.
True.
You don't need to pay to be on social media. You get what I'm saying? It's not easy, but it's I don't see the difference. Ain't nothing different to me, man. It's same old-ish, just a different toilet, bro.
All right. So who are you feeling right now when it comes to there are a lot of rappers out there right now? Now this is not about Cold City. I saw the collab you had with
Sorry, how could I not give a shout out to Nkem, Jasmine Magazine? That's my homegirl, man. Shout out to Nkem of Jasmine Magazine. She was very instrumental to introducing me to Maga. And tonight we're doing Elevator Lounge.
True.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so I was going to talk about the new cats in the hip hop game. Would you say, because there was a time when this whole thing came up and it was like, hey, hip hop is dead in Nigeria, and it's like the Westerners on the side are taking over right now, and then you have some of these new cats who are actually doing pretty good. So I would love to know exactly who you're feeling. I know you had Psycho YP on the track, and
on my album I have Psycho, I have Odumodu Black, I have Black Bones. I have a couple of them. I have Ajebo Hustlers. I have a couple of them on my new album. But I will just say that I am very happy and very proud of where Nigerian music is. Yeah. I'm very happy with where we are and where we're taking it to. Sure. You know what I mean? Like, obviously, a lot of people have played their parts. Even before me, after me, people were still going to play their parts. Yeah, true. And I'm very, very proud. What a time to be Nigerian, you know what I mean? You can go anywhere in the world and say you're Nigerian and people want to hear you speak. And that's nothing but a blessing. Give God glory for that.
Okay, so Fire and Ice, the listening party is happening tonight.
Yes, boss. I want you to come get in my thoughts, get in my mindsets. Elevator Lounge is the spot. And it's gonna be sort of like an interactive event where I'm gonna have people ask me questions and I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna play the album and kind of explain. You know what I mean? Yeah. I take Enugu people to be very, very intellectual people. At least from the ones that I'm friends with. They're very, very cerebral. Yeah. So, and it's pretty much rap. It's pretty much hip hop. And you need people that are cerebral and intellectual to understand rap. Exactly. And that's part of the reason why I thought, Enugu would be a perfect place to explain this album. If Enugu understands the album, I believe every other part of this side of the world will understand the album. You know what I mean?
Kind of like, should I say, curious to know exactly why Enugu and why I feel like you have so much love.
Yeah, and that's what I'm telling you, man. Like, bro. In the whole Nigeria, maybe I don't think I've spent too much time anywhere else outside of like Jos, where I grew up. Abuja, I'm always there, and Lagos. I live in Lagos. I think Enugu is one of those places that I would say I have spent like not a long time, but I did spend a couple of weeks in this town. I got to move around a lot. I got to make friends, and I'm telling you about like way back. This is in 2008, and this was when I met Fino. Now, if you know Fino in 2008, you will know I'm talking about a very, very long time ago. You know what I mean? He was a studio engineer back then, and I used to go to their studio. He used to record me, and stuff like that. So I've had this love for this place. You know what I mean? I have so many friends, like I say, apart from the artists. People like Maga, people like Doobie, Gustavo. Those are my guys. And I feel every time I come here, they tell me I feel good, yo. instead of I feel good, you know, and I love that so much. So I want to say I'm in 042 and I feel good, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. So big shout outs to you, Ice Prince.
Thank you.
So after now, what should we be expecting from Ice?
Man, just expect right now we're at the stage of putting out videos for the new album.
Yeah.
We just put out a new video with Shay Vibes called Accidentally. Check that out.
Yep.
And yeah, man, like just stay tuned with your boy and stop looking at me as some old G or old whatever you call it. Like this man is trying to do.
You can't take that away.
Let's say I am a forever artist. I am forever gonna make music. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I am always gonna, you know, deliver quality music to my people. And just keep up with me, man. My social media is Ice Prince Zamani on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. I'm the same everywhere. If you keep up with me, I guess you'll get to know as much as I'm doing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And can I use this opportunity to give a big shout out to to my Igbo brothers and sisters? Recently, I was booked in South Korea.
Okay.
All the way in South Korea, and I went to this city called Busan. Yo, I didn't see nothing but Igbo people. There was no any other tribe or people there. Just straight up. Yo, I just want to say how industrious you know the Igbo people are.
Yeah.
Big shout outs to, you know, to the whole clan, you know, to my whole friends from this side of the world. I'm very excited to be back here again and to be back here to present my album. Yeah, I can't wait to have a good event tonight.
And we will accept that album. And we've accepted it ever since the first day it dropped.
Bankalat, let's get it.
I've been banging that tune
Yes,
like
sir.
forever, man. I mean, Ice Prince, Fire and Eyes. I was so excited when I saw that particular project.
Thank you.
And when you made the announcement, I think sometime around May 3rd or
thereabout.
And I was like, whoa. So I had to go check it out.
You're very woke.
Come on, man. I'm a big Ice Prince fan from day one.
Choco, you're woke.
All right, so
I hope you're going to be there tonight.
Yeah.
Elevator Lounge is the spot. The event starts at 9 p.m.
Yeah.
And we want to try and stick to time because it's an album listening.
Yeah.
You know, obviously we're going to turn up for the rest of the night, but I want you to experience the album. I want you to ask me questions about the album. I want to be able to explain the album to you the way I made it. So please make it out there to Elevator Lounge at 9 p.m. And yeah, let's have a good time.
All right, so there you heard it from the big man himself, Ice Prince Zamani. I mean, if you don't know Ice Prince, then you gotta be living under a rock, because I mean, he's been through it all, he's seen it all, he's done it all. And right now, he is in my city, the cold city. I mean, the
04, 042,
yeah. You love it. It's Ice Prince Zamani, Fire and Ice album listening party happening tonight at Elevator Lounge. 9 p.m. is the time. No African time, yeah. So when it's 9 p.m., it's 9 p.m. So you all can pull up and come chill with Ice Prince. Come, like I said, it's an interactive session. You can ask him questions, everything you want to ask Ice Prince. Yes, yeah. I mean, just bring your questions tonight. He'll be sure ready to answer that.
Yes, sir.
All right. So guys, yes, and he's got a brand new album out right now. I mean, you heard me say it a couple of times. Fire and Eyes. You can go check it out. It's out on all streaming platforms. Has so many amazing tunes on there, and has so many massive collaborations. It's Ice Prince. And he never disappointed, and so he would never disappoint. Trust me when I said it. All right, so Ice, I mean, from all of us here, we want to say thank you for coming through.
Thank you, Afia TV. Your studio is so beautiful. It's so arts everywhere.
Thank you.
I'm really impressed, you know. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
All right, man. And from here, we wish you nothing but the best, all the way to the top, man.
God bless. Thank you.
To the top. All right, guys. Yes, so that's been it on the show for today. Hope you had fun doing this with me. Tomorrow we go again, same time, 2 to 3 p.m. It happens every weekday, right here on Afia TV. And yes, we had an extension because, I mean, Ice Prince is in the house, so we just had to, you know, make it a lunch break extension. Tomorrow we go again and we go even harder. Meanwhile, we up on your socials at Afia TV Official. Guys, I have been your host as always. My name is Choco Annie, and I don't do nothing loco because I always stay fly.
Oh, God.